In a rain-soaked city, a forgotten cafe keeper discovers droplets that taste like old photographs. Each sip unlocks a memory the drinker thought was lost, turning sidewalks into rivers of recollection. The mayor tastes a droplet and recalls a childhood promise to plant hope, not build walls. Citizens flock to collect seeds from puddles, planting them in empty lots to grow memory trees that glow at dusk. By nightfall, the rain ends, but the city remains nourished by remembered kindness. The city learns that memories, like rain, should be shared to water future dreams.